Guys, we are intercepting a mutant tornado with my Cyclone 1 and also have a teammate here with Green. Successful intercept. Okay guys, so what can go with my interceptor Cyclone 1. Deploy Cyclone 1 deploy. Oh, what do I hear guys? Okay guys, so we are intercepting this spot tomato. Successful intercept. So guys, I'm gonna throw the player that I'm playing with guys. I'm gonna try trolling him with the one shot. That's the next thing guys.